Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hope everybody is well and I hope everybody can hear me. Miss Gama, are you in the house?
I'm in the house. Hey, everyone.
Yeah, welcome back. Official welcome back. Good to see the Honorable Minister of Technical Analysis, guys. As you can see today, I'm not alone. Yes, how are you?
I'm good. I think, just as I was speaking, I'm just tired. I don't know why I've got this fatigue. But I think this weekend I'll try and sort it out.
Yeah.
And you?
I'm okay. Can't complain. How is Cape Town? We now know that you are back in Cape Town.
Yes. The sun is out at least. I seem to have brought some Joburg sun, which is good. I hope it lasts.
Okay.
But the rain is also good to rest. Ish.
Yeah, so it's been raining that side.
Yeah, it's been raining. Nice rain. I'm hoping next week it will rain again so I could just rest. Because sometimes in Cape Town, when the sun is out, there's just that guilty feeling of let me just go see what's happening. But yeah, when there's rain, at least you input.
Sure. No, good to see you. Good to see that you are back. The choppers missed you.
Aw, choppers.
Yeah, choppers missed you. Choppers missed you so much.
I my friend so much.
Yeah, no, they did. They kept on asking. And I told them that you're gonna be coming back. And there is some changes, guys. We spoke about some changes. As you can see, that there are some things that are not visible on your screen anymore. But as time goes on, we will be in a space to be explaining what's going on. There's some few changes I'm sure choppers can see, but it's all in good faith. Ladies and gentlemen, just before we do so, please do also remember that we respect everyone's faith that is under this stream, but unfortunately we're gonna have to practice our faith, which is to pray before we start our stream. So please, let's take this time to say a prayer. Ms. Gama, are you going for it?
No, you can. You've got that. Yeah, but the way you say it and stuff.
Okay.
I trust.
Okay. All right. Let us pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, thank you so much for once again giving us an opportunity to gather in your presence. We are praying that let this be a knowledge that is coming from you. Let us not be ahead of ourselves and work as hard as we know how to and humble ourselves before your eyes. We are praying this in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. We say amen.
Amen.
Yeah, Choppers, we are back. Some people are saying we love the change. I really don't know. Mush. Some people are saying they're saying change. Yeah. Change is good.
Change is good.
Yeah, change is good. So, yeah, I know. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of people will be asking, "Where is Octa?"
You just gave them the clue.
Yeah, we're still together, guys. Let's do some work. Let's do some work this morning. Oh, it's not a morning. We are used to streaming in the morning. Yeah, but we are grateful, man. Just 1 second there, Miss Gama.
Sure. But
Savage is saying, Savage, you can never say that, man. That's
yes,
Savage.
When did you pass Tarisha?
No, Savage is I agree. We are now speaking about ways Octa, and now.
I thought he was talking about you people seeing videos of you.
No, he's talking. I say we don't. We actually do there, Savage. You can't say that, Savage. What are we doing today, ladies and gentlemen? Are we buying? Are we selling gold during NFP? What are we doing? Can we mark the register quickly, please?
Okay, who you?
Yes, you. Welcome us. Or should we welcome you?
Wait, Fred. You know, there's something I need to quickly do. I'm hearing an echo on my side, and I see why.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So register. Where do I start at the top? What?
Yeah. No, somebody saying Savage is reckless. He is.
Savage is here. No man, people are calling me. Why are they calling me? No. Who else? Samuel and hey friend, what the Ablajan names? You know, I'm so sorry. Olani Prince is here. And Masakona is here. Snipping Pip Dollar is here. King Cartoons, Olani. All the choppers. It's nice to see.
All the choppers are here. Good to see.
Mad stuff with Peter. Sure. He's here. Kumza. Nelo. Oh, sorry. But yeah. I think most choppers are here. Some are starting to dial in, which is good. Come in, so they're starting to join, which is good.
So when you call me earlier on, I was on the phone with Nobile. I'm like, Chief, you must know that people will be asking because you promised them. Okay, so let me give a special, should I say special? But let me give an apology for Nobile, guys. He was supposed to join us for NFP, but unfortunately he has something to attend to. There's a funeral that he has to attend. So yeah, he cannot join us. But yeah, next week we'll try for him to be here. So it seems like all the choppers are here, guys. We streamed. A lot of people are asking, Mush, why didn't we stream on Wednesday? We actually did stream on Wednesday. Guys, can we please like the stream? The NFP is about to hit now. And those that are not liking, those are not liking, chances are it's not going to go your direction. So if you want NFP to go your direction, do yourself a favor.
Oh.
Yeah, everybody's asking about Mobile and his $16. Yeah, guys, and I knew this was gonna happen. I did say to him, Chief, you are going to cause me problems, but it's fine. I'll handle it. Guys, this is just like the stream. 94 people watching, 98 people watching the stream. We only have 30 people that have liked the stream, guys. I think we can do better. So for those of you that are asking why didn't we stream on Wednesday, we actually did stream. We were streaming on Wednesday. It was private. It was for those that are on our funded group. So we did stream on Wednesday. And I was with Miss Gamma, by the way. Miss Gamma was there, and it was a normal day of analysis, like normal day of working, you know, isn't it?
Yep, it was.
Yeah. Can you take us through gold? What do you have there? Can you take us through gold, please? And yeah,
I'll show you. So, you know how I do. Let me just go to the weekly. I just want to see something.
Can you zoom it out a bit?
Sorry. Okay, I'm going to do that.
Thing?
I just want to quickly see something on the weekly before I get back to the hourly. I just want to see this RSI. So the RSI is trending downwards on the weekly. Daily is ticking up from oversold rather. Okay, cool. So this was what my trade was. Okay, so this is basically the structure for gold. It's been on a downward slope that you're seeing at this point. And for me, trend lines again, this is quite important because if it does breach that, then it's a complete change in character from this pessimism into optimism, which I think in general, something significant, I think we spoke about it on Wednesday, something significant has happened with gold that's putting it on very bearish territory. Yep. And it's the fact that, let me try and get it on this, sorry. I just want to show you without having to alter too much on my side, this particular point. Okay, this trend line over here is dated back to December 2024, and it's breached that. So what we are anticipating is possibly if all pans out, is a retest back to that trend line and then downside. But This move is quite a significant move. It really just means that not necessarily that the demand for gold is cooling. I think at some point where we're going to see a huge sell-off is if it trades at 31.65. But it's still well within the structure, which means we have to play around that movement. So there is a potentiality of it hitting to 33.70, giving us a sell, and then pulling back again. So, but we might be in the retest phase, which then brings us back to my hourly chart here, which means then if there is a breakout at around 33.05, we can then see potential move towards 33.50 or that 33.70 before we see downside again. So I was literally, yesterday I went short here with the target it was at 32.85 and we pulled back to 32.80 and it's starting to regain. So the retest might be brewing, but I think the safest bet is to wait for a breakout above 33.05 for us to then see that retest coming along. Otherwise, if it doesn't, then it means we need to be short of gold.
By the way, what was our take on Wednesday when we were streaming private? I think we were bearish overall.
Yeah, we were bearish. Okay. Remember, we were bearish, waiting for it to pull back. Let me just go back to this chart. I'll tell you what. We were bearish, waiting because it was around here. So what was Wednesday? What day was Wednesday? 28th, 29th.
Yeah, I think 29th.
So this is where we were, and that was what we anticipated, downside to here before a retest. That's why I remember I had that downside to there before a retest. That's what we were anticipating, and this is what's happening currently. That's what we're waiting for now, that retest upside.
Okay.
So let's see. I mean, at this point, what the results are is if unemployment is above 4.2, because analysts are expecting it's currently at 4.1. If it goes to 4.2, then it's going to cause a weaker dollar, and this is when the gold will then go up. But if it's below 4.2, it's just going to be a continuation of the bear trend. So that's what we're going to be waiting for now at 30. Yeah. So that's why I've got there a sell, like a strong sell below 32.80 if it's below 4.2. Or even if so if it's at 4.1 or 4.0, for example, then we're probably going to see the dollar rise. That will just cause the gold to crash. Otherwise, if it's at 4 or sorry, I think I'm confusing things. If it's above 4.2, so let's say it comes out at 4.3, the dollar is going to weaken and we're going to see the gold go up. But if it's below gold.
Sweet.
What are you seeing on your side?
I like the analysis. Okay, so I'm running a poll now. I'm about to show you my analysis on gold, guys. I'm running a poll now. Gold NFP. Like we are like 9 minutes away. Buy or sell. 59% are saying buy, 41% are saying sell. Right.
So they're expecting the dollar to weaken.
Yeah. So most of them are expecting the dollar to weaken. All right.
Giving a stronger gold. Okay.
But I always say, look, NFP is just overrated. NFP is just overrated. Yeah,
sometimes I don't even trade around this time, man.
Yeah, no. Obviously, we know that positions won't be executed from my side, and I don't know if we're gonna execute trades. And Mobile is the one who likes executing before, but we always say this as a choppers community that NFP, guys, is overrated at times. I mean, if you look at my chart now, we're now trading at 3,300. We had a high at $3,316 an ounce, nicely above view up there. So I think what I'm expecting on gold, I think for those of you that are saying they're expecting a buy on gold, it would make sense if I think like the sellers are probably trapped. We broke above this level here. Broke about this level here, retested this one here. We had another one here. So I think for me it will be a matter of, okay, fine, we have a lot of commitments in these highs here. Retail traders might want to see a low here. Maybe it might not come here, but I'm anticipating that if we do get that buy pressure coming in, then I can expect maybe a rebound from this area here. Then that's when I can reload positions to the downside. So my price there will be 3,315, 3,316. Yeah, but short-term setups, short-term though.
Where's your buying? Sorry, friend, where's your buying?
My buy will just have to be above 3,300, just slightly above. So
Okay,
where
so
we
my-
are now, we are currently trading at it. So my buy would have to be something like this to the upside. But overall, that's when I can take myself short position. So I think short-term wise, we might see that bullish pressure. I think that 61% for now makes sense. Yeah, I normally go against the choppers during time like this. Choppers will say this and I will say that. I think today I'm going with the majority, looking at the fact that we are just above VWAP. If you look at euro dollar as well, it's a tricky one. Why I'm saying that is that most of the moves have already been there. I mean, we came from $1.15 all the way to $1.14. We have 150 pip move, right, already to the downside. So I think a lot of movement has already been taken. So I think we're gonna have a pop NFP. That's my take.
Yeah, it's not looking. I must be honest. I'm also looking at it. It's very sluggish.
Yeah.
It's very sluggish. I personally would not be getting in at this point in time, friend.
Yeah, no, it does make sense, but I know there are choppers here that will say, guys, we're going in.
Just want a bit of a pullback. It's not my entry point. The 3.3 is not my entry point. It will definitely be 3.305. I know it's slightly above, but
Yeah.
to me, that 3.305 is quite key. It's a very key. It's support, resistance, becoming resistance, and then above it, it's above that trend line. To me, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
But yeah, the thing is, it's still in that bear trend. Do you get what I'm saying?
Sure.
And for as long as it's still in it, I think the upside within the bear trend may be limited by this blue trend line. Otherwise, if it breaches it, then I mean, this is a new entry of buyers.
Yeah.
But we could just.
Can you go to
Are you-
15? Yeah, can you go to 15 minutes and try to zoom it out or zoom in? What's the difference?
Yeah, what is it, Vele?
Okay, zoom in.
Zoom?
We'll create our own.
Oh.
Zoom in. Zoom in. Meaning to say, make it bigger. No,
Make it bigger.
bigger.
No.
Bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah, bigger.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. This zoom what's like okay. Something.
Yeah. Again.
I just hate it when
'Cause-
these levels start. You know, like it's just maybe
Again.
that's why you don't like levels, because they move around when you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Again, please.
Again, like
Zoom,
this.
zoom. Yeah. Because what we the thing is, we wanted to zoom so that during NFP we can see clearly who's crying and
Clearly.
who's
Okay,
not.
okay.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, let me just put this level here, so that this is my level, ne? What are the choppers saying? What are their levels? Sorry, I just want to get this here.
Yeah, choppers, please let us know what are your levels. Guys, can we please like the stream? Lisi was saying I'll wait for liquidity to be taken and take out the trade in the opposite direction. Makes sense. Ronnie is asking, Mr. President, how do I join the private coaching after I funded with Octa? Send me a text, my friend. Send me a text. Just send me a text.
I mean, look, it's 5 minutes. That's quite a strong candle for the 15 minute, but
Yeah.
it could also just catch everyone out. I'm just concerned about this. Just wait for that. But yeah, you know, when the news come in, that overbought could stay there for like a good hour. So yeah, how many minutes left? 4. Why am I hearing myself?
Yeah. Ethan is saying, I'm about to flip this day. Ethan is too early for that, my friend. Gutran is asking a very good question. Are we selling or buying? Guys, please, again, you know we don't trade high impact news, so it's use your own discretion. This is also not financial advice. If I'm gonna take a trade or Miss Gamma takes a trade, it's up to you if you wanna take it or not, but we'll never tell you to buy it or sell. I might be wrong, but I think I'm anticipating a weak pop NFP as usual.
Yeah, also just like nothing to write home about. Very little. I get it's now at what are the? Let me just see.
Yo,
It's my mouse, man.
some people are. Some people are saying full margin. We lost Miss Gamma there. Oops. We lost Miss Gamma there, choppers. I'm gonna have to put my screen there. Let me rather have euro dollar there on the screen. Let me try to zoom it out as much as I can. POC levels $1.14, currently trading at $1.1396. Let's see. Let's see what happens. All the best, choppers. All the best to all of you. Savage is saying if it sells, I buy. If it all the best, my friend. Let's see. I've got euro dollar there. So like I said, selling, buying at 3,200 there. Let's see. I'm anticipating a pop NFP family. Ronnie, you're right, my friend. Let us like the stream, guys. 114 people watching this, and come on, guys. I think we can do better. Miss Gamma is back.
Yeah, sorry about that. Hey, check this out.
NFP.
Fake. Oh!
There we go. There we go.
I was like,
There's that buy there for gold. There we go.
hey, then below, then up, then.
There's that buy there for gold.
What are the results? What are the results saying?
Choppers gets it all the time. Choppers
Yes,
gets
yes.
it all the time. That's that buy there that we anticipated, guys. I think a lot of retail traders are trapped, as I said. A lot of retail traders. Ooh, Graham. I'm sorry, my friend. That should not happen. Choppers gets it all the time. I think at this point we must just I think at this point, Ms. Gamma, I think anybody that wants to trade NFP, we must just tell them, come on this stream and look at the poll from the choppers. It was a beautiful one.
Right, it was a nice one, eh?
It was a beautiful one. I think all the moves were clear. I think a lot of retail traders wanted to get So you see where I'm saying maybe I might get my thing in my analysis on this was we lost Miss Gamma there again. I think we lost Miss Gamma there again. Let's go. Let's go, family.
Ish, am I back?
Yeah, you're back.
What is happening?
It's Cape Town.
Ish, no,
It's
no, no,
Cape
sorry.
Town. You know, ever since we went to Cape Town, we're having issues with you.
Hey, man.
Cape Town.
It's saying come out. Yo, guys, check this out. This is so nice. This is one. Yo. I hope it doesn't crash out. Oh, no, man. Oh, you're still there. Okay, I thought I was.
Nice one there, Lisiba. I think a lot of retail traders are trapped.
Why would you say that? Because.
No, as I said earlier on, that I'd rather be buying gold than agreeing with the choppers that I'd rather buy gold than selling it because of those levels there. This thing has been on a downward trend for some time. Retail traders would be looking for a reload to make a new low. I just didn't see it. So I think a lot of them are trapped.
This is part of the retest, right?
Yeah, I think
This is part of this.
Yeah.
This is part of the retest. To 33.70 maybe. Don't you think?
What's the price there?
The retest. The retest is towards 33.70. Before it's a sell again.
Yeah. I'm having a look at 3,332 somewhere there.
You mean for today?
Nah, it's too high for my liking. It's too high. Already up by 0.2%. It's already high. It's already high. I can never risk it at this point. But yo, euro dollar up by 0.87. Ooh. No, and this NFP actually proved us wrong. It's not PUP. This NFP is not PUP.
Yeah.
It's moving.
What are the results? I'm trying to see what the results are.
No, this NFP is not PUP.
Let me go check.
It's not PUP at all. This is not a PUP NFP.
I'm just trying to see. Investing.com, do they give us the information immediately?
Can you check Forex Factory, please? Sure, 60 pips to the upside. This is not a PUP NFP. These are good numbers. Up by 85%. British Pound USD up by 0.39%. NAS is down. Germany is down. USD is down. ZAR is down.
So it was higher.
Can you zoom out? Can you zoom your chart a bit, please? Choppers, can we like the stream, please?
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a level I also have there. Beautiful. Let's go, Choppers.
335.
Graham is saying wait for the retest, then enter. What will be your discount there, Graham? What's your discount? Possible buy there? King Cartoons is saying NFP killed this side. Well done, my friend. Anna Savage. Savage is saying we are playing Shaolin music.
What's that now?
Leave I got the music for the stream, so Savage, leave us alone though.
Okay, my target has been hit for my second
3305. Okay, 33. Okay.
So it was first target, second target. It may just do that, or it may.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you are a woman, happy Women's Month to you.
Oh yes, it's the first.
Yeah, happy Women's Month to every woman out there.
Nice, thank you. Ish. Is it
We
for
need
the whole
you guys.
month?
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful.
We need you guys, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's your target, Mr. President? TP?
For gold.
Yeah.
What? To go on the downside? I didn't execute any trade.
What do you think? Do you think it will get to a 3350 according to your analysis?
Only I can be convinced if we break above 3330.
Okay, so
Yeah.
okay.
You see the level that you have there? If you violate that level, 350 is most probably something we can look at.
With next candle, ne?
Yeah.
Or you mean now?
No, with next candle.
Okay.
I need to see a break above
You can
that
see it's
level.
already starting to find a bit of a ceiling there.
Yeah, yeah.
So
There's a bit of resistance here. I like what Graham is saying. 3315 to reload. Makes sense, Graham. 3315. It does make sense because initially I thought if we are buying gold during NFP, my anticipation is that we buy at 3,300, we come out at 3,350, which is Graham's reload position price. But
wait, sorry, what did we?
3315. It's Graham saying maybe we can possibly reload from there. It does make sense.
Yeah, it's this level here.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one. That's yeah. So this type of move.
No, I think there's something that
Is that what Graham's anticipating?
No, I wanna go fetch something, guys. We need to like the stream. Let me go fetch something.
What are you fetching? You know what I like Samuel's thing about buying USD ZAR for a swing. I like that one. I was also considering something like that.
I'm back.
You're back. What did you go and get?
No, I'm not gonna ask again. I don't wanna do this. Choppers, can we please like the stream? Please like the stream. I had to fetch the bell that I use all the time. Please like the stream. We cannot have 127 people watching, only 81 people have like the stream. Please, please, please like the stream. I'm gonna put it near here.
No, okay. They're not gonna think we're too tired.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like the stream, yeah. Keep them coming. 87. Seems like this is the only thing that works. This is
the
belt hour now. Let's go. Keep them going. Keep them going. Why it's like we have stopped at 87. Let me put it here.
MJ
95. I'll take it off here once I see that we are on 100.
Ola 96. It seems to be working.
Yeah. Let's go, choppers. Let's go. Yeah, 99.
Chesa.
Let's go. There's
102. 102. I put
mine
the belt
says
away.
100. I'll put away the belt once mine says 100.
Mine is at 102.
No, I need to make sure.
Oh, I don't trust.
No, I trust you,
Oh.
but I know that TP hit 100 likes. Well done. Can put it away then. Not too far, so that Monday, there it is. I'm just gonna put it there. I think I'm gonna take a picture and send it on all my social media pages. Must know where it is. Must be very near. Now we can trade.
Then
Yes.
we can trade.
What are we looking at now?
You see, it's going to the
Oh,
3250.
gold is beautiful, man. Those who caught it at 3,300, beautiful setup, man. Well done, guys. Well done. The belt needs to come out every 2 weeks, every day, my friend. Every day. At this point, every day.
What are you doing this weekend?
This weekend, what am I doing? Church.
Okay.
Church and family time.
Nice one.
On your side?
Friends.
No.
I'm going to actually. My friend's got such a lovely place in Hout Bay, and we always, every time I come, I go visit and she visits me too, because I'm in the city, and I'm just going to go see her this weekend, spend time with her and her mom and brother, and then come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm actually working on a studio. I'll tell you guys more about it later.
Ugh.
I'm working on a studio. So maybe this weekend I'll be also working on it, getting things in and whatnot.
Where is it?
Around Johannesburg.
I mean, we're close to home.
Yeah,
Somewhere.
not far.
Nice.
I agree with you there, Samuel. I think gold profits taking is a money shift to invest in other metals. I agree with you 100%, my friend. What's your other level there? 33145.
Who's mine? 3350, and then above that 3370, and then that's it. Cut, start selling.
Okay.
But I think at 3350 may give us a sell, but I think let it breach it and then come below it. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Then that's when that, for me, that retest. Let's just go back to the retest thing. You see that retest there? Are you seeing my chart?
Yeah, no, everybody can see her.
Okay, I'm just not too sure. Okay, so this retests there to there. Maybe. What now?
No, read Dumisang's comment. You guys don't want peace. Dumisang is saying the way I killed the JPYs, I need a Japanese wife. Why would you say that, Dumisang?
Because
Yeah, no. Seems like, but I think a lot of people. There's yeah. So now it seems like it stopped raining there in Cape Town, my friend.
yes.
The sun coming in.
You just change the topic like that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because I see there's a lot of sun coming in.
Somewhat.
Sun coming in.
Oh, should I close, ne?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, it's good to do this around this time. Is this better?
Yeah.
Sorry. Thanks for telling me that.
No, it's okay.
Let me do this.
You know what I'm thinking?
I just like a lot of sun.
Yeah, but it's dark, but it's fine. You know what I'm thinking?
Am I so dark?
I think we should have a chopper every week on the stream. What do you think?
What do you mean?
Like, have a chopper join us for the stream, like once a week. I think that'll be.
Remember, we're trying to strategize on something fun.
Yeah.
Part of our strategy, because we still have to have our meeting, because we want to make it fun, you know.
Sure. I think that would be dope to have a chopper. Listen, even if you are not trading that day, you just want to be on the stream and hang out with us. I think as long as you're not gonna disturb, because we are here to make paper at the end of the day, right? But as long as we're gonna be pushing work, then I don't see why not. I think we should, Mush, right?
I think so too. That should be one of the pointers we're gonna do. But there's more we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're gonna be the fun things that are gonna be coming. A bit more structure.
Yeah.
Just Clients are busy asking about this trade now.
Yeah, I think we will definitely do that. But yeah, we're still gonna discuss. But I think in the meantime, if you wanna join us for the stream, send us a text. Yes. I think Savage will be the last person to join us on the stream. Savage is gonna disturb. Listen to what he's saying. Can I bring my flowers when I come? Flowers for who? Savage. That's fine.
What's the Savage?
Because what I'm trying
flowers.
What I'm trying to do is to set up a studio in Johannesburg where I'm gonna stream it. And for those of you that cannot join me like this, like I'm in Johannesburg, Miss Gama is in Cape Town, right? But I wanna create a room for somebody to come and join me live at the studio, right? Just once, guys, not every day. We tapped that $3,345 an ounce mark. Man, gold is crazy today. It's up by 1.67%. I think we might see a 2% mark today. High possibility. For those of you that took TP on gold, well done, my friends. You deserve it.
Yeah, nice little end to your week.
So whoever is saying I'm coming every day, so it's Savage saying I'm gonna come every day because I'm jobless. I don't think it's I totally believe that a trader cannot afford to say he or she is jobless, right? Why am I saying that? You might be in a position where you are not profitable, but you're still running that business, my friend. Give it some time. Give it some time. So you are It's not like you're
Sorry.
jobless. Yeah.
Do choppers name their businesses?
I don't know. That's a
They
very
have a
good
name for it.
question.
Yeah, because
That's a very
when
good
you
question.
start looking at it that way and have a proper name for it,
Yeah.
then there's a certain energy.
100%.
So it's interesting to know if they actually name it. I've named my portfolio.
Yeah. What is it called?
No, it's gonna sound so airy fairy.
Okay. But that's actually, because think about it. Once now it's operating as a business, you register it as a business Pty Limited. It has a name, you know. What is the name of your trading business, guys? And one thing, Ms. Gamma, what you're actually saying is powerful, because most people, when you talk about trading business, they're thinking you're talking about selling stuff, you know. And they don't realize that your own portfolio is your business, guys. So if you are a trader, you are trading demo. It's not like you're jobless. You're not yet profitable, right? But you are still working on something.
Should we start a poll for that?
Yeah.
It would be interesting to know what their names are. That would be so nice.
Yeah, please let us know what is the name of your trading
Of your
business. Yeah.
It's a proper business. It's
Yeah.
not just the mazala zala here.
What is the name of your trading business?
Are you asking me or you asking
No,
me?
I'm
Yeah,
asking them, because they
Yeah,
won't
yeah.
be able. I want them to write it down. Yeah, guys, about the studio, stay tuned. We're still gonna discuss it with Miss Kama and the team. We're working on something. Don't give up on this thing, guys. One thing I can tell you is,
Milk the market, Sally. Love it. Milk
What?
the market, PTY.
Milk the Market PTY. That's a beautiful name, eh?
Well done.
Savage is saying I'm FX Apes.
Chiza, cervix.
My strategy is called
Savage.
WWE Watch, Wait, Execute. I run Simunya Investments Pty Limited.
Nice one. I love it.
Nice one. Nice. My
Oh,
trade is-
wow.
It's 4 business 3, guys. Okay.
In one hand.
I don't wanna comment on that. Choppers have started. Okay.
That's what we do.
Ron is saying, Mr. President, my business has been failing, so I'm same as an unemployed, but I still show up daily. For the fact that you still show up, listen, man, you cannot say you are unemployed. You're just waiting for that profitability to come in. You are not.
will.
You are not. Give it time. Give it time, my friend. Join us every day here. Guys, we're gonna make it. I promise you, we're gonna make it, whether the devil likes it or not. All these companies here, man, they're gonna be listed on the JSE. Definitely.
I'm telling you.
We print money FX traders. Oh, nice. Mine is called
Love
SJTM
that.
Investment Holdings. Nice one there, Tseho.
But you know, I like Gaba Capital as well. Pty Ltd. I'm running a. You know, I had you remember the last Friday I was with Moby, the top trader.
Yeah.
So
For the
one of the
podcast,
things,
yeah.
the podcast, one of the things I mentioned is, you know, which choppers I'd like them to also just get into is you can't just have one type of portfolio.
Yeah.
I'd really like to get you into guerrilla market. I'd really like you to get into also just investing in shares, because it's generational wealth that you're building when you do that. And we need to get them into that. Particularly, I'm just going to say, as us Black people, we're not really exposed to creating portfolios, and we living in an environment where we have the opportunity to do that. And it can't be only one-sided. We can have the CFD portfolio, but there should also be returns that get into your own investment portfolio. So I think one of the things we need to talk about, Mr. President, is trying to create a portfolio alongside one's CFD portfolio. I think that would be very beneficial. That's what I would love for the choppers, to start building portfolios other than CFD. So like if you have your business like that, you have 2 types of portfolios, right?
Yeah.
And the proceeds are not for you to increase your lot sizes the whole time, but to then put back into your portfolio and earn percentage of shares in a company. You know what I'm saying?
Smart way of doing things, man. You know, there's certain income, guys. It doesn't need sweat at all. Just need you to be smart about it. Yeah, again, just every month, and you're not even touching it at most. You know, we need that.
So it's the discipline of not wanting to withdraw the whole time. Withdraw to put into your portfolio, but you know you can enjoy your monies now and then. But we need to think futuristically.
Yeah.
Specifically in terms of generational.
Yeah.
You remember my speech, Octa speech? I'm very much into that. I'm very passionate about that.
Sure. Someone was talking about Elzino was saying Galadina must be in talks once every financial calendar month. What do you think, Mr. P? Most definitely, guys.
Compounding, exactly.
Yeah. We're working on it.
So we're going to work on both types of portfolios, Mr. President. What do you think?
Yeah, no, definitely.
We can't just have them on CFDs the whole time.
Sure.
We must
I
get
think,
them into...
Can we agree on a webinar next week, yeah?
Yes.
Evening, right? Thursday?
Yeah.
Does it work for you, Miss Gamma? Let's rather do it live here.
Oh, wait. This Thursday, next Thursday. I can't do next Thursday.
Which day?
I can do Wednesday.
Next week, Wednesday? All right, next week Wednesday, choppers. There you have it.
Portfolio building.
Yeah, portfolio building webinar. I don't know which day is going to be.
But maybe let's ask the choppers what suits them. I just can't do Thursday, and you know Friday.
No, Wednesday it is. Wednesday. Yeah, I think Wednesday it is.
Let me see it. Hey, choppers.
Capital just entered. Capital just entered and already.
Yes, we'll start off with 3 shares. How about that?
Yeah, no, definitely. Now let's do it next week Wednesday, guys. So next week Wednesday we're gonna have a webinar. It's gonna be on Zoom, not on YouTube.
Yeah. So
should we do YouTube?
What you think? What you think?
The thing is, okay, so we had a.
Hey, but you know some of this information. Some of my clients are like, "Are you giving people?" So you know what? It's fine.
But you know one thing is that on Wednesday when we had a private session with the choppers, I was like, "Yo, Zoom is less stressful, eh?"
In what way?
Like to stream, it's less because it's less.
Oh yeah, I can imagine that because you just log in and you.
Yeah, it's less technical.
You know what? Maybe another way of getting the choppers onto the. Maybe we should. Maybe what's the choppers the number that they can contact us and we can always email that Zoom link to them. I mean send.
Yeah, they'll get it. Guys, if you are not on our Telegram groups, there's a private one and there's a free one. The link down below is a link for the free one, right? So yeah, someone was asking me. Someone said to me, send me a text now saying, why don't I see a broker there on your stream? Guys, let's have peace. Yeah?
I'm not politics.
let's.
LEL Zeno says Wednesday date.
Yeah, Wednesday it is, guys. We're gonna start from 7 p.m. So make sure if you are cooking that day, make sure that you arrive early and cook. We'll try to. You know, one thing about this webinars, Ms. Gam, is that I don't like recording them, right? I don't like doing that because at times you would find sometimes information must be uncomfortable for you to get. You understand? Like it must be uncomfortable. Like you look at ways in which you are getting information for your business, how you can, improve on your business. Like it must be uncomfortable at times that I need to be there. Right? Instead of thinking, okay, I've got EC Dingo and I've got a webinar, right? Where they're gonna help me about building up a portfolio for my business, right? You're gonna choose between EC Dingo and this webinar.
That's where the problem starts. That's where the generational looping
Yeah,
happens. Baba.
sure. But you
Where we're
see,
not getting out of the poverty mentality. We're still
yeah,
in it.
yeah,
Baba.
yeah, exactly. So you would find that someone will want to watch Dingo, so they will contact. Which one should I watch? No, let me watch Dingo because I'm gonna get this recording. You see, but if it was a seminar, not a webinar, some people during Dingo time they were gonna make sure that they come for the webinar. So I know to some people it's not convenient, and I understand that, right? But it's just that there is, being in the industry also for some time, you get a lot of people don't want to commit to this thing. They want recording and they want to watch this recording in their own convenient time.
That's true though, which is also fair to think about. But I guess if that's the case, yeah, then we can email recordings,
Yeah. No, we'll see what we can do. I've seen something in my growth in business and in general personal development. Most success moves, I make them when I'm in an uncomfortable position. When it's not convenient. Like if I have to take a meeting when I'm hungry, I know, okay, it's probably gonna be a good meeting. Or I'm cold.
I never thought of that. I must take note of that.
I'm telling you.
I always put the uncomfortability as priority.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, good one, Mr. President. I'm gonna use it. Good one.
I'm telling you. Like I was in a meeting I was in Monday. I was in a meeting. It was cold, and I knew that being cold the way it is, I'm so uncomfortable. I wish I could leave, but I was like, what if this meeting is my next breakthrough? Very uncomfortable. So I had to stay. And believe you me, the meeting went well.
Listen to that.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking, if I could have just said, hey guys, I don't want this, I'm feeling cold or I'm feeling grumpy. Just do things when you are uncomfortable, guys, and see if they can work out, right? Especially for us business owners. It's funny how business owners always want to do things when they are comfortable, but when they are working for somebody, they don't have a choice. Because if you go to work 9 to 5, if you sit on that chair there, whether you are Kodola, you are hungry, chief, it's what you need to do, right? You are being paid for it, So I think we need to practice that as well as business people, especially traders, because our business requires a lot of discipline. Someone is asking, is Easy Dingo that good? I mean, I don't know if you want to say.
Yes, it's friend. I wonder what it looks like it's going to push through.
You have your chat on there.
Let me just put the 77. Remember, my limit is 33.77. I think that's where it's far off though. And it's another $20. May not. It may not.
British pound up by 0.63%. Euro dollar has hit at $1% mark, trading at $1.15. 47 up by 1.16%. Gold is gone, guys, up by 1.6%. I just like what I see, man. I think this market's, I honestly thought they were not gonna give us anything, but
some of them are very sluggish.
Yeah, some of them they are. Nasdaq is down by 1%. We spoke about Nasdaq on Wednesday privately. That we're gonna see if we break below 23,000, we can see if we can go to the downside. It's also a good opportunity to see where you can reload more positions there on NAS 100 German. This is a setup that we had, guys. If you attended the private session on Wednesday, you would remember we said wait, break 23,000. I think what price did we have there on Germany? Is it 23,950, Mush?
Yo, Germany.
Yeah, I think it was 23,950.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, 23,950.
I wrote it down, but it was just I was in Joburg when we did that.
Oh yeah. We said break retest 23,950. There it is, there, ladies and gentlemen. Below VWAP indecision candlestick. Take your trade and close your eyes. Go nicely with it to the downside. So I like the fact that most of these things that we have discussed on Wednesday on how we're going to approach them. We also had EU. I don't know if Neptune is here. Did you take that EU cell that we also spoke about? So yeah, everything really looks good.
No, it's struggling at 33.50. That could be a selling point.
Metallic, mastering emotions when trading. We had you on our private group. We've had sessions about emotions and psychology there, Metallic. But we're still gonna have more, my friend. Minister of Police today, Professor Kachalia, is being sworn in as a minister today.
Guys, what? All these exposés that are happening. What is... Have you been seeing, Mr. President?
Yeah, no, I saw.
I think we must come take over. Have you been seeing Mr. Paul Mashatile?
Yeah, hey, Brapol has mentions everywhere, and we don't want to mention.
Excuse the pun.
Brapol has mentions. Yeah, it's been a rough week. Brapol's things are coming out.
We can't have the president, guys. We can't. But if he becomes president, guys, I'm leaving you guys. I know I am. I'm serious. Stay somewhere else.
Brapol has mentions everywhere. Brakeni was found making too sly at Molefesa house. There's a lot in this country now.
Yo, I can't believe we be played on top. But it's no, it's our fault. It's a manifestation of our laziness to fight. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, it's tough. It's tough.
Right.
It's tough. Yeah, Kachalia is being sworn in today. Interesting. Kanaleno, my friend, you are right. It's time.
I think he's right.
It's time.
It's time. We want people who are going to make change now, not still. Guys.
When I become president, let me not saying when I become. Look at what gold is doing, man. Gold is not waiting for anybody. When I become,
it's not. I told you, 33.70.
Yeah. When I
33.70. It's this return move.
Yeah. So I was saying there, Mush, when I become president, let me not say when I become, when it's official, because I'm already one, right? Manifesting it. I will definitely have a budget for traders. I'm not joking about it. A serious
Especially
budget.
with this unemployment figure.
Yeah.
The best way to reduce it is by making people feel they own a business.
That's it.
I own a present with you.
And I'm not gonna text traders, never.
Nah.
Then look, South Africa doesn't have taxation issues. It doesn't have a budgetary issue.
Issues.
It has a expenditure issue.
And also a high taxation issue. We're one of the mostly taxed countries in the world.
You know why they do that? Because I guess they know how they play around. You see, so we know where we're gonna tax. There's no trader that will be taxed under my watch.
Yeah, I agree.
You can start voting now, Chobus. No taxation whatsoever. You are a trader, no tax.
7. Choppers have been showing love. 126 likes. I say Wonga choppers.
Yeah, now they're making me feel bad of my belt, but it worked.
Yeah,
It's
what happened?
fine. It's fine.
I'm excited about Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday it is, guys, 7 p.m. We'll put out a poster with all the details, the Zoom link. Make sure that you join our Telegram groups.
I think like a step to step, also just helping them on how to open up an account. Ish. Are we allowed to mention names? Or since there's no... Huh?
No.
Oh.
No. Kana, what did I say when I say you're giving out a lot?
And you always warn me. No, I just like sharing, guys. You know?
Which is a good thing, but you know, sometimes choppers must really get deep into, because you know, choppers already, if you give them a name now, they're not gonna attend the session for Wednesday. Already they'll be doing research the weekend.
No, but this is not. This is for your portfolio building. This is for equities. It's not safeties.
Yeah, I'm talking about that. They're not gonna come for Wednesday.
Why not?
To get full information. They're like, at least we know which company to use to open. Let me try now.
What?
Can you repeat?
See, they all know.
Yeah, so we shouldn't say it.
So they must tune in on Wednesday.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's build generational wealth, guys. Come on now.
It's time, guys.
Let's eat with us. Yeah, man. No.
Sally, thank you, my friend. Choppers.
Miss
Ms. Gama, any last word from you?
I'd like to thank the choppers for all the likes and for attending. It's really humbling and encouraging. I appreciate it, and for the warm welcomes always. And thank you, Mr. President.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. All the way from Kapstad, the Honorable Minister of Technical Analysis, Choppers. You know, it's all love from us. We are seeing you when, Ms. Gama, Monday, right?
Monday.
Remember, guys, every week we're going to have a chopper here. We're not joking about it. We're not joking at all. So make sure. Yeah.
It's
Wednesday we're together as well. So Wednesday we're going to have two sessions, one in the morning, one in the evening, right?
Easy waits.
Yeah, we're going to be busy, guys. Let August be one of the busiest months for the year. Let's try to see how we can capitalize of the year, because we are about to end the year, right? All right, choppers from your president, we're out.
Thank you, choppers.
Cheers.